Hey guys, Joe here, 690ADV, 690 Garage, and here's your 2-minute tip of the day. Hey, you know what? When I first get a bike, especially like these Hondas, what do you see on here that doesn't come with the factory bike? Oh yeah, that's right, that windscreen. It doesn't come with a windscreen. So you're basically going to just get blasted and buffeted from, head to toe. So you want a little something to take a little bit of that wind off. Check out that windscreen, man. It's nice. That came from like Baja Designs. I'd have to look it up. I'll try to put it in the comment section. That thing's nice. Look at that scoop on there. That thing comes up and down. It blows all the air over your head. If you've never ridden your motorcycle without a windscreen, you guess what? You have some guys that don't want to do it because they don't think it's cool enough. But I'll tell you what I do. I got to have one because I do have to punch miles. We do anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 miles every year on a moto trip with all my buddies, and this thing right here will save you tremendously. So windscreens are awesome. I don't like them to be too dorky or too crazy, but this really fits the profile of that bike. It really makes it look sweet. So definitely want to check on that. I have one on my KTM as well. You definitely want to look into that windscreen because those windscreens will help you. It'll help take a lot of the buffeting off of your helmet, and it'll make your ride so much smoother, especially if you have to really grind those miles out. Anyway, look into that because most of your dual sport bikes do not come with those. You're going to want one. This is your 2-minute tip of the day. Have a great one.